Just to show you how the buckle alarm works, we have a frame of a door as normal. We have a door as normal, hinged. We use the buckle alarm, the main alarm on the hook. Process is very simple. To arm, just put the buckle over, flashes 3 times, means it's armed. Any intruder tries to open the door, the result is an unarmed. If you note the door when it's opened, it's only opened approximately 4 millimeters and the alarm hooks